So when you look at a problem like this, this is for 38 through 41, they gave you f of x, but they're asking you to find f of f negative 1 of x. So technically the first thing you need to do is find the inverse of this function. So we have y is equal to 2x plus 7. We'll replace f of x with y, and then to find the inverse means switch x and y. So I'm switching x and y, and then I'm going to solve for y here. I get x minus 7 is equal to 2y, and divide by 2. So now I know my inverse is that, x minus 7 over 2. Now if you go back to what we learned yesterday, this really means to do f of f negative 1 of 3. So if we think of the order here, just start with the inside function, and I'm going to take the 3 and plug it into the inverse first. So that's going to be 3 minus 7 over 2, which is negative 4 over 2, and I get negative 2. Then technically I need to bring down the f function, and now that says I'm plugging negative 2 into f. So I'm going to take that, plug it in up here, and I'm going to get 2 times negative 2 plus 7, which is negative 4 plus 7, which is 3. If you look at that 3 is the same as what we plugged in, because we just composed a function with its inverse. When you do that, essentially they're canceling each other out, and you're just going to get that answer in. So if I had any kind of problem, it doesn't matter what it said, but if I had another problem that said f negative 1 of f of 100, then what's going to happen here is, because it's a function and its inverse, those are opposites of each other, these are going to cancel out, your answer is just going to be 100. So technically all this work I just did, you don't have to do. I was just proving to you that it worked. But when you compose a function with its inverse, they cancel each other out, and whatever your input is also going to end up being your output at the end, because everything's just going to perform the function, and then everything's going to get undone when it plugs into the inverse, so you just get right back to where you started. So hopefully that helps with 38 through 41.